So here's a tune about a voice of a generation. It's not Bob Dylan. It's the computer. In 2007, everywhere you go, you hear things. Probably in that camera right there, we're like beep beep. When the battery's getting low, or when computers want to talk to us, they say beep beep. And here's this song called beep 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 beep. Is the battery going on the smoke alarm in the kitchen? The microwave tell me to check on the food's condition. Busy signal on a call, someone is missing. That's the test of the emergency broadcasting system. Goes dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Just like that. Dee 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 dee. So simple. Dee 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 dee. There's a dump truck backing up into position. Car door open with the keys left in the ignition. The gas card credit receipt I forgot in addition. The traffic cop, referee, lifeguards, whistles, whistling. Goes dee 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 dee. There goes dee 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 dee. Everywhere I go, I get dee 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 dee. What could it be now? Dee 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 dee. Is it the sound on the stage being made by two messed up musicians? Or my wristwatch alarm tell me it's time to go fishing? Don't bring up a cricket fiddling on the leg that it's itching. I hear the tree frogs peeping in the spring competition. Now that beep, 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 beep. There goes again, yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Even when I'm out the woods, I hear it. Beep, 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 beep. What can it be now? Beep, 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 beep. Story about that now. On my way to Florida, I was in a hurry, and I didn't know whether I should bring two pairs of shoes, and you know how you're like, I can't bring everything, I'm just going to bring one pair of shoes. But I had them both by the door, and I put one of each shoe on as I went out the door. Yeah, but there's a problem because these shoes are really special, because look. Yeah. And when you go through the metal detection during the era of terrorists, and you have two shoes that look different, and one of them has wires in it. It took a long time to get through. Airport, someone set up the metal detection. The pager and the beeper makes a connection. Yeah, the grocery store barcode cash registration. The digital thermometer calls out to the pediatrician. It goes dee 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 dee. There goes again. Dee 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 dee. This song is stupid. Dee 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 dee. Can't believe we're singing it. Dee 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 dee. We're gonna ask for their money back. The sound on the stage of a radar screen with a submarine's top secret mission. Or a bird on a wire so lonely singing and wishing. Wait, there goes again, you're bound to hear it, listen. Strike a silver spoon on crystal glass for the bride and groom kissing. Goes dee 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 dee. Last time, anybody can sing it. Dee 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 dee. Even if you don't know how to sing. Dee 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 dee. What can it be now? Dee 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 dee. Frontline.